Hello and namaste. My name is Kajol, and today we are exploring again cartomancy with a neutral perspective. So these cards are basically, I pulled these cards for my client and my friend. She's both, okay? And this is her situation, and her question was about her ex, whom she did not talk since 2 years or 3 years, and she wanted to know how will he react if she text him. So she did text him actually, and after her text I pulled the cards, okay, just to see, because we both knew that we wanted to experiment and see what these cards would say. Okay, so she was in it with me okay, to explore cartomancy. But anyway, so this is the answer spread. So these two cards is supposed to tell us the situation. These two cards is supposed to tell us the answer, and these two cards are supposed to tell us the extra information of why this is happening or things like that. Okay, so first we will read the cards as normally as we could through some cartomancy references which I found on the internet, which I keep researching on because it's interesting, very interesting, because these cards doesn't have any pictures, so of course it's interesting to know what's it's going to tell us. Okay, so we see the Four of Hearts, which is supposed to mean I think the love card or romance or something. I think that is what means, because the 4, the number of stability, and this is like stability in romance or stable relationship or something like that. I think that's what it means, emotional stability basically. And this is the card which is supposed to mean bad luck. Yeah, so this is the card of situation. So I suppose that the relationship, maybe the my client wanted to work the relationship out, make it stable and all that, but it did not work out because this is the card of like bad luck according to cartomancy meanings. So it did not work out and it became like a bad luck. I think that's what this is trying to tell me. So first of all, we see many red cards, and that means good. Red means good and black means bad. That is the rule. But in the answer spread, the main card, the main answer card, these two, this is the black card here. So there's a black card. So this card is mainly the answer, and if this is black, which means like a no, yeah, if we are asking a yes or no question, or if something bad is going to happen, then this is like a black card appearing there, like it's not good because it's not red. So we see the start with a red card and this card is supposed to mean basically love triangle, yeah, because we see 3 hearts, and also it means for one of the cartomancer, I think she said this is the growing love, yeah. So growing love or love triangle, this is what it means. Now this card means basically separation, and separation because of the third party, according to a cartomancer and according to a cartomancer reading I saw on the internet, because I keep researching on these. Okay, so this is like the separation because of third party. So I assume that this person might have a third party. Okay, this person has somebody, this person is already involved and not free, yeah. And this is trying to show us that he might be busy with somebody else and he thinks it's over anyway, because this is the card of separation in the answer, yeah. So her question was, how will he react or think, behave when he sees my text, yeah, or when he receives my text. So because so many heart cards, we don't see much thinking, yeah, because heart is not supposed to associate with thinking, it is supposed to associate with feelings, yeah. So I'm supposing he just feels, not thinks. Okay, doesn't think. I don't know how it can go, but this is what the meaning says. And this is the spade card, which is associated with, I think, mind. Then this might talk about thinking. So maybe he's thinking about the third party, because we see thinking and then we see the third party, number 3, third party, love triangle, etc. So by the time my client texts him, he might be thinking about the third party anyway. Okay, so his mind is occupied, let's say. And we see the extra information of what's happening. So we see the 2 of hearts and the ace of hearts. So 2 of hearts is supposed to mean friendship and love, romance, I think. And for some of the cartomancer, this also means a reunion. Okay, and this is a new start in love, or a new love. Yeah, new feelings, let's say. And also this is supposed to mean the home where we live with our family and pets and everything. So because of these cards, like separation, because of third party, I believe that this is not the reunion or new start in love. This is like maybe he found a new love. Okay, he found someone new by the time my client texted him. She was not talking to him since 2 years or 3 years. I'm not sure about that, how many, but I think she said 2 years. I don't remember, because she sent me a long email, so I don't remember each and every detail. So yeah, so I think, yeah, this is the card, this is how I see it. And I said maybe he's busy with third party and he may not actually react here, or not even think, because he's busy with his new love. Yeah, because of this card, I suppose that he will not react. And I said that to her, so she knew that we are experimenting, as I said earlier. So she's like, okay, let's see what happens. So later on, she sent me a screenshot where this person, this ex of hers, reacted as he said like, oh, very good, so my client just said, hello, how are you? And he's like, oh, very good. So I think he reacted very sarcastically, with a lot of sarcasm. He's like, oh, so she texts me and like, very good, like that. So I think this card, I don't know if this card would mean sarcasm. I'm not sure, because my client did not reply after that, and neither he replied or asked even how are you back. When somebody asks you how are you, you usually, when you're interested in talking, you just ask, oh, how are you? But I don't think this person did that. This person did not. And the screenshot which I had is particularly the proof here. So I think this person reacted very sarcastically, and so I suppose this card would mean sarcasm. And last time when we were exploring cartomancy, I saw this card meaning as doing something emotionally, like being emotional and doing something out of anger. I don't know how to explain that, but I hope you get that idea. You can watch the video. The link will be in the description of that video where I explored this card. You can watch and know for sure what I'm talking about. Okay, so I feel like he might be angry, and then he's like, well, let's reply with sarcasm, because I don't really care, I'm busy with new love. Although my client also doesn't care, okay, that much, because it's been 2 years or 3 years and she's over it. You know, we can see that she worked for it, but it did not work out. She sees it as a bad luck, and I think the bad luck is caused due to third parties. Maybe other people were involved and she had to leave it because maybe he fell in love with somebody else. I'm so sorry about my speech today. So I think she's already over, yeah, and she also told me that I'm already over and I'm just doing it for you so that you can explore the cartomancy, and if you want to know what's happening, that's good. Yeah, so it's a fun reading basically, and I don't know, that's all we have to say here. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So she agreed on these cards. These cards were true for her. She's like, yeah, I worked out for this relationship, but it did not fulfill me, or went as I wanted. So I think this is kind of true, but I don't know about these. If this means sarcasm, I think that's a real, like, let's say, discovery of Three of Spades. I don't know, because nobody has ever mentioned this as sarcasm. But anyway, so I thought, with these cards, is like he will not even reply. He will either see my client's message and ignore it, but he replied, and he replied in a sarcastic way. So because black is supposed to mean bad, so I think, yeah, that's correct, that this means bad. So yeah, because that's bad. Sarcasm is also bad. This is all about this reading. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped you in cartomancy, and I would like to know what you think these cards means, and I'm here to listen to you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.